Hello, my name is Django and I'm back. So, I'm a software developer based in Kisumu, Kenya. Main stack is Python Django. I also do that. Apart from that, I'm also a blogger and enthusiast into online marketing, earning money from online. So, I started this channel 1 year ago, probably, I think it's 1 year ago, and went dormant for some time because I had problem with my older machine. That's the old laptop, which I've now replaced, and I'm back. A lot of good things are coming. Mainly, I'll be focusing on Django for beginners. That means if you have zero knowledge about Python and Django and all that, you'll be able to learn. We'll be doing a project, step-by-step project, where you learn as we do it. Okay, you learn what is a model and we implement a model, a real life project. Now, project we're working on currently is called S-ticketing, which is support ticket, where one is able to open a ticket and get ICT support. We'll talk about that later, and for now I just want to welcome you back. Be ready to learn. Share with me what you learn as I share with you what I learn, and let's grow together. That's my spirit. We can grow together. If I share what I learn, you share what you learn, and we'll grow. Yeah, so see you soon, and please subscribe and keep touch. You can also visit my website, by the way, mbotizamos.com. I have a lot of good things there, and that is it.